So, what would be our today's topic to discuss with?
Uh, do you want to discuss the topic on the screen?
Yeah, definitely. I would highly like interested to discuss on that topic. But if you have particular any other topics, then we can agree with that. No problem here.
No. For me, I don't really like to discuss the topic they give.
Yeah.
I want to like have a gossip, something like that. Yeah, because the topic is really boring.
Okay. Okay. So we can discuss about the different topics. So, do you have any particular topic to discuss with?
Yeah, I want to ask about what is your major? Like, what is your job, or do you a student, or do you have a job?
I'm doing a job at the same time. I'm doing a study as well. So, in order
Uh-huh.
to preparing myself for IELTS exam, and I'm a registered nurse in Bangladesh, so that I'm working at a hospital. But beside that, I do study whenever I get free time because I wanna get my higher study in abroad country. Yeah, this is a simple, a little bit details about myself. What
Wow.
about you?
Yeah, now I'm a second year in university. Yeah, and my
Wow,
major
that's great.
and my major is business administration.
Business administration. It's a very demandable subject nowadays. Not only in your country, in my country as well, and I would say all over around the world. Best
Mm-hmm.
of luck for your future and for your study career as well.
Yeah, my major and computer science. Yeah, I think.
Computer science, that good.
I think they are two popular major.
In
Yeah,
in
maybe.
in your country, right? So, which country are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. That's
Have you
good.
ever visited Vietnam?
No, I have never visited in Vietnam, but a lot of people told me that Vietnam is a great country for visit, and so many people often go to Vietnam for visit. And before, a few days earlier, I have met on people in my hospitals. He also live in Vietnam, but he came to my hospitals in order to perform his A operations in my hospitals. So we had a great conversation there, and he told me that Vietnam is a great country, and I have been working there since mm, 2015. And if you get a chance, you can go there. There is a very beautiful places, scenarios, and all of those things. Very beautiful people, and many different kinds of people are living there.
Yeah,
And I liked it, and I hope I will go there in the future, inshallah.
yeah. If you have chance to visit Vietnam, there are many things to explore about
Yes,
scenery, stunning landscape, or yeah, especially local food. Yeah,
yeah,
there are many things to try. To be honest, for
yes,
me, even though I'm a Vietnamese, I'm a Vietnamese, right?
yeah,
But
yeah.
I haven't tried all local cuisine in my country.